Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Google Play Games on your Windows 10 or your Windows 11 PC. So one thing you have to note is that with this installed, you'll be able to play all the games that you usually download and play on your Android phone. All of these you'll be able to download them and play direct on your Windows 10 or your Windows 11 computer with a lot of ease. Now this gives you an advantage of having a bigger screen where you can play, and also a lot of control where you can play with your keyboard, with your computer keyboard instead of your smartphone keyboard. My name is Isaac and welcome to A Minute with AI. Now to begin, go and open your browser. Now from your browser, go and search for Google Play Games. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this website. Now as you can see, the Google Play Games platform is still in beta. So what we want to do is to download the beta version. Give it some minutes as it downloads. And it is done. Let's go and open the folder where it has downloaded. For my case, it is available under my downloads. I'll go ahead and double click on it to install. So I'll minimize these windows to see the installation process. Now the installation process is on. Just go ahead and click on install. Now be patient as the installation happens. So the installation is done. So now you can see on the screen we have the Google Play beta icon here. You can now launch it. So to open it, just double click on it to get started. Now you'll need a dedicated computer because in some cases you might get this error that your computer doesn't meet the minimum requirement to run Google Play Games. And for my case, I'm told that it needs the storage, which is a solid state drive, and then graphic at least 630 CPU or the compatible one. And then hardware virtualization must be turned on. So if your computer meets this requirement, you should have no problem launching this Google Play beta. You'll download games directly on your PC and then begin to play them. So let me know in your case if you're able to download successfully and also launch and play using your PC. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.